Naimbag nga rabii and happy holidays sa lahat. And this is gonna be a short video for tonight. Let's learn how to say how are you and I'm fine or I'm good in Ilocano. Let's start. How are you or sa Tagalog, kumusta ka? In Ilocano, it's kumustakan, kumustakan, kumustakan. At pwede mo ring sabihin kumustan, or you could just say kumustan, kumustan, kumustan. It also means how are you or kumusta. At para sumagot ng mabuti naman or mabuti naman ako, or sa English, I'm fine or I'm good, you say Nasayaat met. Na, sa, ya, at met. Nasayaat met. Mabuti naman, salamat. Or in English, I'm good or I'm fine, thank you. In Ilocano, Nasayaat met. Agyamanak. And if you wanna ask you or what about you, Ikaw, Sika, Sika, or you, Sika, Sika, Sika. Or if you wanna say you, how are you? Sika, kumustakan, Sika, kumustakan, Sika, kumustakan. So, ayun, and that's our short video for tonight. And let's do the review to say how are you. Sa Ilocano, you say kumustakan, kumustakan, how are you? Or you can just say kumustan, kumustan, kumustan. And to say I'm fine or mabuti, you say nasayaat met. Na, sa, ya, at met. Met. Nasayaat met. And if you wanna say what about you or you, how are you? You say Sika, you, Sika, how are you? Kumustakan, kumustakan. So, ayun. Yun lang para ngayong gabi. Good night!